We had a little visitor on our steps last night. We were wondering what the noise was. It actually sounded like somebody trying to creep up, and yep, it was a squirrel creeper. We're at FDR State Park. This is our campsite. Took a little work to get her level. We decided to be lazy and leave her turtled. We stayed in Section 3, Site 307. Had we planned a bit more, we may have been able to get one of those lakefront sites on the 100 or 200 loop. But we're lucky to know where we are, let alone where we're going early. We could have stayed there for a few days and then moved, but we were also feeling a bit lazy. On the plus side, the section we stayed in was fairly sparse during the weekday, and the bathhouse next to us had a washer and dryer. One thing that was annoying, though, was the light they had on the bathroom. It felt like it was midday at 10 at night. I'm gonna follow you. You can't hide behind the tree. We're actually out the door before 10 a.m., which is rarity these days. Looking forward to do some hiking today. Our first hike at FDR State Park is to generally follow the Longleaf Loop. This trail has an elevation gain of a little over 1,000 feet, so the combination of that with the 7 miles will give us a good run for our money.
We're going to take the Liberty Pool Trail, but we're going to add on to that.
Okay.
This is a cool picnic shelter.
Water's really clear.
Oh, it's crystal clear.
Yeah.
It's really cold. Get to see the blue sky. First time in days. Well, she says I gotta get more pictures of us in the background, so we're by a bubbling brook. Which way do we go?
Hopefully you know. You see the map down.
I forgot which way we're supposed to go.
No.
So, evidently, but they give you plenty of people to call if you are lost.
That's nice.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get to some sketch now. Feels like wood bark though. Yeah, we could clean deer with that.
We are not making our own cutting utensils like that show.
But it's like different layers of rock. It's a tall hill. Doesn't stop. Which way should we go? That way. And the spot of the FDR headquarters, and we're gonna have lunch here. Hi there. Some rocky spot here. What is it called? This prayer rock. I guess let's see, pray you don't fall down. You can see for quite a ways still.
Rather photogenic. Yes. That's you? This girl. You? This girl. He is like still as can be.
He's gonna go fangs.
Rabbit squirrel.
Because I didn't give me
Gary is currently working on the Truck Camper Olympic event. We have washed our linens, and he's trying to put them back on. It is definitely a challenge. And I'm glad it's him and not me. Oh, I said that out loud, didn't I?
No, we weren't on this trail. This is a new trail. So we're on the Pine Mountain Trail. Black bears. Maybe you're right, we were on this trail by accident. No, we can't be. Alright. But they must have two of these signs. There's no way we're on the same trail, babe. It's a completely different direction. Alright, so we're on the Pine Mountain Trail, and we're going to go about 10 miles estimated, because it's something to do today. Alright, so Lori said that I made a mistake, which I want to prove she's right, I guess. But we are on the Mountain Creek Trail. We're not on the Pine Mountain Trail. We're on our way to the Pine Mountain Trail.
And we were on this yesterday or 2 days ago.
So, therefore, I'm wrong and she is correct. So I wanted to make sure that I got date stamped.
It's a nice, pretty lake.
Yeah, oh, that's a CC Hatchery Farm.
You think there's a lot of fish in the hatchery?
No, not sure.
Listen. Yeah, they're totally going to get lost, don't you think?
Let me verify that we are on the...
Speaking of lost.
Okay.
I think they know something we don't.
Hatchery number 2. Back onto the trail. Lori's leading us now.
That's fun. Aw, cheaters.
Yeah, my knees say to cheat. It looks like a rock minefield. There's some big rocks.
What is it? Oh, it's a lizard. He was just hanging out on the trail, and I disturbed his morning nap.
Pretty cool outcroppings here. Trail's kind of windy and rocky.
They got poop balls on their trees. We're checking out the country store.
Nice little overlook. It's at the start of the Pine Trail. Of course, the Smoky Mountains.
Hey, if we can get us some food that we don't have to cook ourselves. Gary found us another dinosaur. If you look at it close, it looks like a pterodactyl. Caw-caw, caw-caw. You get it? You see it, right? Yeah, you do. You know you do.
This dude's kind of heavy when you get way out there.
Yeah.
This is Mike. Mike gets to walk backwards and swing around through trees. And I'm going to yell at because I went too fast. This is what you do when you're on board on a trail. Is you make crazy shots. So we officially named the camera Mike now. Watching out for trees. Watch out, Mike. This ain't easy. Poor Mike's gonna get clobbered.
I love the sound effect.
Yeah. Just us walking through the woods.
For those interested, this is the actual path we took from the campground. The first leg was part of the Mountain Creek Trail, then to the Pine Mountain Trail to get to the country store. Then we took the northern trail back, which was the Chestnut Oak Trail, and then back through the Mountain Creek Trail. Get it? Got it? Good. You think they might feed them here? Not us, though. We're continuing our streak by including the local squirrel in our naming shenanigans.
Hey, Earl. What you eating? Huh? What you having there, Earl? I wonder if he smells those nuts.
Oh, I bet he does.
Earl? What's the matter, Earl? What you know, Earl? He's trying to be gutsy, but he's like, if I come here and act cute, I'm gonna get something. I can feel it. Yeah, you're the one that's... Now he's peeing on the table.